Would you believe me if I told you this entire couch came in the mail? Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this really cool modular couch. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We're going to show you guys how to put it together. You already see what it looks like. But now we're going to give you our review. So when it arrives, you're going to want to make sure to leave all the cushions and everything out for a little bit so they have some time to expand from the shipping. We already did that. Ours are all fully expanded. And now we're going to show you guys just how neat this is. Okay, so we got the modular part of this, the two-part, so it's like a love seat. So basically, you get two pieces like that, two armrests, and then the two backs. We did already put the feet on the bottom of this. Memphis is like, oh, this is totally for me. So that's one of the armrests. You just pop that on, and then this is the back piece. And put that right in place. You're going to be able to tell where the back is from the front before you even put that in. This goes up front, which means that goes in the back. It's not a couch yet, sweetheart. I do want to note there is springs in here, so it does have. Can you jump on it, Eleanor? It does have some cushion. So as I said, feet are already on it. You can see it has these metal connectors on the side. And then this side we already put together. Again, the little connectors. So Jamie's going to take that piece. Well, we got to wait till Memphis is done drinking. And we're going to hook it over on this side. This side went together the exact same way. Oh, the bolt. Yes, you're right.
And this is the arm.
So when you click the arm into that metal part, there's a little hole in the bottom. Hi, Memphis. She's like, hey, I'm helping. And you screw that bolt in. That's to make sure that that arm stays secure as it's all put together. I swear, you dogs are the greatest helpers ever. So, as I said, those metal pieces are going to fit into these metal pieces, and that's going to hold it together. And for right now, we're just setting this up in here, but this is actually going to go into my office, which will be nice. Couch is hooked together. And now you'll see there is some hook and loop on the bottom of here, right there, which matches the front, which I love because that means as the dogs jump on and off of it, like, it's not going to move around. It's got some pretty good hold on it.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I think so. What do you think? And it's really neat because if you wanted it bigger, you can actually get more pieces for it, and you can make it like a whole curved couch, which is kind of cool.
Because you can get a corner. And
you can get a corner, yep, and you can have it turn. We could turn this whole area into a couch. Those also have hook and loop on them, so you'll notice right there, and on the back at the top there. So it's going to hold them into place as well. Eleanor's like, can I test it yet? Can I get up there and see how I feel about it? Look, there's a pillow. It's like, oh my goodness, there's a pillow on the couch. Ta-da!
Almost.
It almost would have stuck. And it came with the two pillows as well. You want up there, Memphis? We'll put you up there. And if you need it to be a little bit shorter, you could take these feet off, and it's going to make it that much shorter if you really wanted to. What do you think? You got to get up there and test the couch. Yeah. Now that you're on it, everybody wants on the couch, hon. Now it's a wrestling spot. What do you think? Is it comfortable?
Yeah. Dog approved.
It is definitely dog approved. It's going to go in the office, so it'll mostly get used for the dogs. But it's a cute little love seat. I love the fabric on it. It's so like,
It's very soft.
so soft, so floofy. This is not a wrestling couch. It's not for wrestling. They're like, I think it is. So we sat on it for a while. The dogs have all sat on it. It's actually really comfortable. If you guys are looking for a nice, comfy, modular sofa, again, you can get more pieces. You can make it bigger. You can make it curved. There's so many cool stuff you can do with it. We recommend this. It's really comfortable. I love the color. It's gonna go in my office. It'll be our new sitting chair in the office. What do you think? She's like, maybe. Yeah, we definitely recommend this. Really nice. We approve.